How to transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to Exness-2025. Follow these instructions. Log into your Exness account, go to Deposit, and select USDT as your deposit method from the crypto options. Choose your preferred USDT network, ERC20, TRC20, or BEP20, based on low fees and your Trust Wallet balance. Exness will show a USDT deposit address. Copy it carefully, and double-check the selected network matches. Open Trust Wallet, tap on your USDT token, then tap Send to start the transfer to your Exness wallet. Paste the copied Exness address, enter the amount, and ensure the network matches your Exness deposit option. Tap Confirm to send. Network fees apply, so make sure you have ETH, BNB, TRX depending on the chain. Wait for network confirmation. Your USDT should arrive in Exness within a few minutes as an instant deposit. Thank you for watching.